Our project, the 2-in-1 concrete mixer, is an innovative solution aimed at improving the concrete mixing process in the Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu lab. It not only mixes, but also filters various aggregates such as sand and crushed materials, making it highly efficient for smaller project and lab use. How the product works. This mixer combines the mixing and filtering processes in a single unit. Using a filter, it effectively separates aggregates, ensuring a consistent and smooth mix. Built with wheels, it is easily movable and it operates without electricity, utilizing a simple, sustainable energy concept that allows students to work efficiently without the need for electric mixer. Comparison with manual mixing. Compared to the traditional manual method, which often leads to uneven mixes, wasted materials, and physical strain on students, the 2-in-1 concrete mixer provides a more ergonomic and efficient approach. This machine reduces material waste by filtering out unusable substances and promotes safety by preventing back and joint strain associated with manual mixing. In conclusion, the 2-in-1 concrete mixer not only saves time and resources, but also support a safer and more eco-friendly environment by using recycled materials. This project demonstrates a practical, cost-efficient solution that meets the unique needs of our lab, offering significant improvements over traditional manual methods.